you woke up smarter, more aware, informed, and empowered? Meet the LG V35 ThinQ. Your life smarter. With the power of artificial intelligence, known as AI, built into the core, the camera is able to analyze subjects in the frame and suggest the best filter and effect. Snap a photo using the dual 16-megapixel rear cameras with AI integration. Google Lens helps you identify objects and provides detailed information. You can search, shop, or scan to learn more about what you see. Just point and tap. Even low-light images come out brighter with built-in camera adjustments. Experience mobile entertainment on DirecTV with an expansive 6-inch QHD Plus full-vision OLED display. And listen to exceptional sound on the go with 3D sound. Want to tell your phone what to do from farther away? You can now. Using your voice from up to 17 feet away, ask for what you want. Just say,
"Okay, Google."
Plus, with LG Promise, you'll get a free second year of limited warranty when you register your LG V35 ThinQ.
The phone that defined big just got bigger. Introducing the new Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Its design has evolved with a bigger infinity display, yet it fits perfectly in your hand. It refines your experience and redefines what you can do with a phone.
Okay, just one sec.
S Pen allows you to go further. Write down a memo while you're on a call, so you don't miss a thing.
Is anything else?
Are you getting all this?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, baby.
Translate and convert at the tip of the pen. There can be words you don't agree with, but never words you don't understand. The S Pen also opens a whole new way to communicate. Create your own live message to express yourself in fun and unique ways. You can now start your day organized with reminders. And just double tap to edit again. Unlock the artist in you and bring to life what you can only imagine. The S Pen is also water resistant, which means it's ready whenever your ideas strike.
Where are you? I'm here. Okay, I'll send it to you now.
You can even capture your screen and add your thoughts, so your friends know exactly what you're thinking about. The Note 8 has a more advanced camera. It brightens your journey even under low light conditions. And with the new dual camera, not only do you get an outstanding portrait, but it also reveals the hidden story and freely adjusts the background to focus on what really matters. Note 8 also has optical image stabilization on both cameras. Get closer, even on the move. It will keep steady to take a clear photo. And with 2x optical zoom, easily capture the scene without missing a single detail. With Samsung DeX, you can have a PC-like experience from your phone to your monitor. You can also launch 2 apps at once on the big screen to conveniently go through your everyday routines. No matter where, immerse yourself in every situation.
Hey Bixby, call me an Uber to go home.
Bixby understands your commands. And it also translates and provides the information you need without typing a single word. With the Infinity display, enjoy the full cinematic experience wherever you want. The phone that defined big just got bigger.
Listen up here now, somebody help me. All my fellas over here with their, can you dig it? Come on. Everybody gonna wish they were you. All my people all around the world, stop for a minute, let me know. I got a lot going on. Baby, oh, everybody gonna wish they were you. Everybody gonna wish they were you. Everybody gonna wish they were you.
The mobile workforce is fast approaching 2 billion people, doing business everywhere, demanding access and continuity to everything, every second of the day and night. We need a new kind of mobile phone for a new mobile reality. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S9, the phone reimagined. Because being mobile means juggling many jobs at once. Galaxy S9's seamless multitasking lets you keep up to speed. And with Samsung DeX technology, we've reimagined the work phone to give you a PC-like experience the moment you plug in DeXPad, giving you drag and drop capability, contextual menus, and resizable windows, not to mention a great presentation. In a fast-moving world, the Galaxy S9 makes sure nothing slows you down. Live translation lets you instantly make sense of the world around you. And because we've reimagined the camera, AR readiness means the AR technology is literally open and ready for business. so apps can be developed and customized as your people need them. Apps themselves can be paired quickly and easily together, giving you convenient shortcuts. And since the Galaxy S9 is water resistant, it keeps on working come rain or come shine. Built from the chip up with multiple layers of security, Samsung Knox is our defense-grade security platform. With enhanced biometrics, Intelligent Scan instantly recognizes you, letting you unlock your phone with just a glance or a touch. And the Galaxy S9 wisely separates business data from personal data, so you're protected even if your phone should ever fall into the wrong hands. Enterprise Edition is the comprehensive package that completes the phone designed for business today. Easy to customize and configure, it's a cinch to integrate and manage 24/7 with all your other existing devices. Firmware over the air lets your IT people control all updates remotely, keeping phones secure and productive no matter where they might be. Enterprise Edition also includes maintenance support, extended warranties, product guarantees, and security updates for up to 4 years. The workforce of today is more mobile than ever before. That's why it's time for a new kind of mobile phone. A phone engineered with advanced features, so now the perfect phone for you is the perfect phone for business. The Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. The phone reimagined.
For more than a decade, our intention has been to create an iPhone that knows everything about you. A physical object that tracks your every movement. This is iPhone X. We made the display take up 90% of the phone, just because we can. And you will pay more for it. The custom OLED panel was engineered to take more of your attention away from the real world. You thought you liked the old headphone jack? Well, say goodbye to the home button too, because it's gone. Gone! It's gone! I promise you it's gone. Never coming back. We made the back of the phone glass, so now you'll pay us more money when you smash the front and back of your phone, and you trust me, it will happen. We have brought wireless charging, which has actually been around for a while now, but you know, we're Apple, we make everything sound new. We have now added an infrared camera and dot projector, so you can unlock your phone with your face. We call this Face ID. Again, we make this sound new, but this technology is old. Ask Android. This data is analysed by the government. We like to call this the Neuro Engine, just not to scare you guys. Your iPhone now recognises you even in the dark. So when you're bashing, we know exactly who you are and what you're doing. The True Depth camera also enables new experiences, like making you look even more stupid than a Snapchat filter. So now you can look like a horse on drugs, some upset poo, or like an angry chicken, which is clearly what we aim to make you guys think you are. Both the front and rear facing camera now have vanity mode, and for the first time it will take up to 15 seconds to take a picture, or longer depending on how vain you are. Portrait lighting produces the effect of being in a locked basement, just to scare the folks. On the back of the iPhone, we rotated the camera 90 degrees to make it look like we made it better, but we actually didn't. And now with this amazing technology, you can play basketball with Dinosaur if you're feeling a little bit lonely. This is iPhone Take Your Money.